I started out the design for this table based on something I'd seen in a second-hand shop a while back. The table is made of a square frame on the top and bottom with diagonal pieces that rotate around as if a normal frame has been twisted through 90 degrees. I started by measuring all the pieces and then cutting them on the donkey saw. I cut the angled pieces with a metal chop saw but forgot to film this. I wanted it to have a plywood top made of two 18mm sheets with a 16x16 array of pennies inlaid and covered in resin. The pieces were all MIG welded together. This is my third project involving welding, so I'm still new to it and learning as I go. Whilst welding the pieces together, I decided to make a change to the design and flipped two of the diagonals for quite a different aesthetic compared to the initial design. As I saw the frame coming together, I just felt like it wasn't quite working, and I think the change has improved it. The welds were quite large and required a lot of grinding. I did think about going over the whole frame with a flap disc as well to get the whole thing to shine, but decided against it as I quite like the more raw aesthetic of the metal. The top and bottom squares have warped slightly while welding the frame together, and it means the frame rocks whichever way up it's sat. I'll have to find some way of correcting this later. I'll include that along with the making of the top in part 2 of this build.